Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change clothes on Sims FreePlay. To change clothes in the Sims FreePlay application, first of all, launch the Sims FreePlay app on your mobile device and let the game load completely. Once it does, tap on the sim whose outfit you want to change and make sure they are at home. After you take your sim to the home, go ahead and look for the wardrobe inside your home. After you tap on it, you will see these options. Click on Browse Clothes. This will take you into the customization screen. Explore the tabs for tops, bottoms, full body outfits, shoes, etc. Look for the outfit you'd like your sim to try on, and you will be able to see that how your sim appears in that selected outfit on the left hand side. After selecting the outfits, you can also go ahead and explore around with other features such as hair, makeups, eyes, etc. But now I'm just gonna look for the clothes I want my sim to wear. After selecting the outfit and customizing your sim, you can then tap on the tick mark at the top left. Click on the Yes button under Confirm Outfit, and then your sim will instantly change into the selected outfit, as you can see it on the screen. That's how you can easily change clothes in the Sims FreePlay game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.